Hey, welcome everyone, Pat Mitchell here, and I want to do a really quick video just to give you guys an idea of just how deadly accurate the Revolution Swing weekly watch list really is. So we're going to go over last week's pick. It's going to be a real quick video. Like I said, just give you a rundown of the plays, show you what the entries were, what the execution targets were, and you can see I haven't touched these charts since last week, and these are all the levels that were placed prior to. So let's head into the charts here and let's take a look and see what we see. Okay, so first off, we'll start off at the top, WYNN, WYNN. This was beautiful. We had an entry of 73.14. If you look on this day, on the morning of, it dipped down and literally bottom ticked that entry. Now, from entry all the way up to highs, and you cleared all of your targets, you had over 13 points, over 13 and a half points, giving you almost a 20% gain just on the equity. Never mind the options. On the options, that was a massive move. Really, really big trade. This is still in play and can still continue north. It's just on a slight pullback now. So that was WYNN. Like I said, just pointing out that entry one more time. Our entry price was 73.14 and lows were 73.09. So absolutely beautiful. No stress on this. Didn't come close to stopping you out. You wouldn't have even been red for about 2 seconds on it. Absolutely incredible trade. A lot of RevolutionSwing.com members banked on that one. Next up to bat was SBUX. SBUX. Entry price was 71.93, and sure enough, right there, right in the morning, we got that quick dip down, which is a part of that plan, and perfect. So from entry up to highs and clearing all of our targets as well, just under 4 points and over 5% just on the equity, and we're flagging back beautifully. It keeps buying, getting bought up. You can see all of the wicks of this candle. It wants to get bought up. All these dips are getting bought on the way down. People are averaging in on this. This is going to continue north. So SBUX, that was another great one. FOXA entry 24.43. Look at that morning dip into that level. Absolutely beautiful, flawless. Entry again was 24.43, and we had lows was 24.48. Absolutely perfect, within 5 cents, guys. Within 5 cents of this. And on this play alone, from your entry up to highs was 2 points right into a profit target zone. We're just on a pullback, really nice pullback on this. People are going to load in and it's going to continue north. So that was FOXA. And then last but not least, ADP. So ADP had an entry of 145.73. Low of day from entry day, 145.76 within 3 cents. Remember, these plays are all alerted in real time via SMS, and all of these plays, every one of these trade plans and that entry, that execution zone, that's all done Sunday afternoon. When I get these out, you are more than prepared. You get a video watch list, you get guidance throughout the week, you get alerted via SMS. It doesn't really get any better than this, guys. If you are looking for something that you simply want to build your day trading account, but you're still stuck at your 9 to 5, I still always recommend joining TrickTrades for your education. Your education should always come first. But why not pay for that education via our swing service? This right here, folks, is simply amazing. And I know that you will be able to execute these trades and make money and learn while you're doing it. This is why I get so passionate about it, because these right here, just four plays alone, and these aren't cherry picked. Generally, our plays are hitting 3 out of the 4 stocks. They come in, they hit your targets, and you're good to go. So this is why I get all amped up. This is the stuff I live for. Our technical analysis and our trade plans are what make TrickTrades and Revolution Swing. So why not build your day trading account while working your 9 to 5 and join our swing service at revolutionswing.com. So on that note, folks, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope if you study these charts, maybe you can learn something too. And come to revolutionswing.com and come get signed up. Let's do this, folks. Adios.